Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make a really cute paper origami butterfly. This one just came apart a bit, but I'm not actually using origami paper. I just cut out square pieces of some construction paper, and that works too. So you guys can, if you have origami paper, great. Or you can just cut out some square piece of paper. So let's get started. The first thing what we're going to do is we're going to take this end and fold it like this to make a triangle. We're going to open it and then take this line, this end, and then fold it the same way to make another triangle. Now we're going to have an X here. We're going to fold the X in half, like so. And then we're going to do the same thing. We're going to take this end and fold it right here. And here we are. So this is kind of like the hard part, but it's not that hard. As you can see, we've made this X and another X. So as you can see, there's a triangle right here. We're going to take that triangle and crease it, and we're going to fold it down, and then we're going to push the top part down so you have a triangle. And it will look like this if you did it right. Now to make the butterfly, its wings, we're gonna take this part and make a diamond shape for both sides. So like this. We're gonna do the same for the back, and it's gonna make this diamond shape, and it will turn out like this. So now what we're gonna do here is, it kind of looks like a butterfly now, but not quite. So what we've got to do here is we're going to take this part, we're going to fold it like this. We're going to keep these like that though, because like the wings, we're going to fold it. And make sure these are facing the right way, they're not like crazy. And we're going to take this end and we're going to fold it right here. Now, to keep this in place, we're going to fold this in half and then squeeze really tight so it doesn't come undone like this one. So here we are, a cute butterfly. And if you want to curve the wings, you can just cut these parts off, and you've got yourself a cute little butterfly friend. Share this to your friend. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.